शुरू अल्लाह पाक के बबरकत नाम से जो दिलों को नूर ईमान से मुनव्वर करता है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू इंग्लिश मेड इजी विद खान। आई एम कुदरतुल्लाह खान। In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. English Made Easy has brought a special lesson on foreign words and phrases used in the English language with meaning and explanation in English, Urdu and Hindi for you. So let's start. Our first word is ab initio. Ab initio. This is a Latin word. Meanings in English: from the beginning, as sare no. The use of this word in English: the agreement was declared void ab initio. Ad hoc. This is a Latin word. Meanings in English: for this subject, when needed. In Urdu or Hindi: वक्ती, इसी मकसद के लिए. Ad hoc relief was not granted to government servants in 2020. Ad infinitum. This is a Latin word. To infinity, forever. Urdu में meanings और हिंदी में ता अबद. The registration is for 7 years and may be renewed ad infinitum. Next word is ad nauseam. This is also a Latin word used to refer to the fact that something has been done or replaced or repeated so often that it has become annoying or tiresome. To disgust, nafrat angeez. He talks ad nauseam about how clever his children are. Next word is affaire d'amour. Affaire d'amour. This is a French word. Meanings in English: a love affair, एक रोमानवी वाक़या. It was not a contest but affaire d'amour. Next word is bonjour. This is also a French word. Meanings in English: greeting, good morning. Meanings in Urdu: salam subh. When greeting a stranger, you should make eye contact and say bonjour sir, madam. Next word is coup d'etat. This is also a French word. Meanings in English: a sudden change of government that is illegal and often violent. बगावत से हुकूमत का बदलना. Those people plotted for the coup d'etat. Next word is coup de grace. This is also a French word. A finishing stroke, a hit or shot that finally kills a person or an animal, especially to stop him from suffering. Zarb-e-akhir. My disastrous exam results dealt the coup de grace to my university career. Next word is coup de main. This is also a French word. A sudden attack. Shab khoon. The bridge was seized by a coup de main. Un rapport. Un rapport. This is also a French word. You know, फ्रेंच में आर को गैन पढ़ते हैं, आर को गैन पढ़ते हैं. इसको यूं भी प्रोनाउंस करेंगे en rapport. मीनिंग्स इन इंग्लिश: इन एग्रीमेंट, इत्तेफाक के साथ. She can quickly establish a good rapport with the children she works with. Next word is en route. En route or en route. This is also French word. On the way, रास्ते में. I stopped en route and got some juice. Next word is exempli gratia. इंग्लिश में इसको exempli gratia भी पढ़ते हैं और ये लैटिन वर्ड है. इसको लैटिन में exempli gratia, इंग्लिश में exempli gratia. मीनिंग्स इन इंग्लिश: फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मसलन, मिसाल के तौर पर. दे कीप एनिमल्स exempli gratia, goats and cattle. Next word is id est. Mostly books में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है abbreviation IE. This is also a Latin word. It means that is, यानी के. Please inform us of your travel plans, id est, arrival, time, career, etc. Next word is fait accompli. Fait accompli. This is also French word. An accomplished fact. Takmil shuda haqiqat. The Iranians are racing to make their nuclear capability a fait accompli. Next word is in re or in re. This is also a Latin word. In a nutshell, in the matter of, mukhtasaran के लिहाज से. The president faces several hurdles in re-energizing trade policy. Next word is inter se. This is a Romanian word. Among themselves, mabain, आपस में. All species will breed inter se. Next word is alias. Alias, Latin word, an assumed name. Urf. The police files indicate that Shida is an alias for Rashid. Next word is alibi. This is Latin word, means an excuse, uzr. They invented a very convincing alibi. Next word is prima facie. Prima facie. Mostly हम इसको गलत पढ़ते हैं prima facie. Its correct pronunciation is prima facie. Meanings in English, at first glance, बादियुन नज़र में, prima facie, there is a strong case against him. Next word is inter alia. This is Latin word, among other things, mazid baran. The committee recommended inter alia that he be promoted. Next word is in tempore or in tempore. This is also a Latin word. In time, इस वक्त में. Prior in tempore means first in time. Next word is deluxe, French word, meanings in English, edition finely printed. Dida zeb chapai. The deluxe edition is bound in leather. Next word is per capita. Per capita. This is also Latin word, meanings in English, per head. Ficus. Per capita incomes decreased sharply last year. Next word is persona grata. Persona grata. This is also Latin word, person held in high respect. Sahib-e-izzat. He became a persona grata with the party in power. Next word is persona non grata. This is Latin word, an unacceptable or unwelcome person. नापसंदीदा शख्सियत और नापसंदीदा शख्स. He has become persona non grata in our club since his angry outburst. Next word is pro bono publico. Pro bono publico. This is also Latin word, means for public good. Refae ama. She read the declaration aloud pro bono publico. Next word is sine qua non. Latin word, meanings in English, something essential. Lazim. Trust is a sine qua non for any counseling. Affidavit. Affidavit, Latin word, written legal declaration. Bayan-e-halfi. I gave an affidavit to the judge about the accident I witnessed. Next word is ibid, Latin word, in the same palace. Ibid is a Latin word short for ibidum. Meanings, इसी किताब बाब इबारत से हवाला. Apply the basic conditions ibid. Next word is in toto. This is also Latin word, means completely, मुकम्मल तौर पर. The proposal was accepted in toto. Next word is NB, notabene. Notabene. This is also Latin word, means in English, take special notice or note well. Note. NB, the office will be closed from 1st July. Next word is nom de plume. Nom de plume. This is also French word, an assumed name used by a writer. Takhallus. She writes under the name de plume of Gina. Next word is par excellence. This is also French word, better than all the others of the same kind. Alija, Alishan. He is the honest politician par excellence. PM post मेरिडियम, याद रखें लैटिन में इसको मेरिडियम और इंग्लिश में इसको मेरिडियन भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं। असल में ये लैटिन वर्ड है जो कि सही लफ्ज़ पोस्ट मेरिडियम। आफ्टर मिड डे, दिन 12 बजे से रात 11:59 तक के वक्त को कहते हैं। A hurricane hit the city yesterday at 5 p.m. एंटी मेरिडियम और एंटी मेरिडियन, आफ्टर मिड डे between 12 o'clock night and 12 o'clock in the day, रात 12 बजे से दिन 11:59 तक के वक्त को कहते हैं। Our college opens at 8 a.m. Next word is post-mortem, medical examination after death. Post-mortem, a post-mortem examination found that she died from heart attack. Sang-froid, sang-froid, this is also French word. Coolness in danger, coolness in danger, खतरे में पुरसकून. They showed great sang-froid in dealing with the fire. Sine die, sine die, sine die, without a future date being arranged, bila tarikh. The case was adjourned sine die. Next word is sub judice, Latin word, under judicial consideration, अदालत के ज़ेर फैसला. In Pakistan, cases which are sub judice cannot be publicly discussed in the media. Next word is ultimo, Latin word, of last month, पिछले माह के मुतल्लिक. I yesterday received your letter of the 7th and 9th ultimo. Next word is proximo, Latin word, of next month, अगले माह के मुतल्लिक. Dina intends to set out for Lahore on the 6th proximo. Next word, tete-a-tete, Latin word, confidential talk, राजदाराना गुफ्तगू. His business was conducted tete-a-tete. Next word is instant. This is also a Latin word, of this month or immediate, इसी माह के मुताल्लिक, फौरी. There is no instant cure for this condition. Next word is viva voce, viva voce, Latin word, meanings in English, verbal exam, ज़बानी इम्तिहान. Candidates may be called for a viva voce. Next word is vice versa. This is also Latin word, meanings in English, on the other hand, के बरअक्स, a man of high worth may be of low worth and vice versa. Next word is volte-face, French word, somersault, meanings, a complete change of opinion or plan, कलाबाजी लेना. We were thrown into confusion by his volte-face. Next word is alma mater. This is a Latin word, one's school or college. Madre ilmi, Government Comprehensive Model High School Jhang is my alma mater. Next word is billet-doux. This is a Latin word, love letter, muhabbatnama. She accordingly sent him a little billet-doux intimating her wishes in the most agreeable language. Next word is bona fide. This is also a Latin word, means legal, asli, hakiki, kanuni. You are a bona fide member of the team now. Next word is bourgeois. This is also a Latin word, belonging to or characteristic of the middle class, आला मतवस्सित मादियत पसंदी वाला तबका. The princess was ostracized for marrying a rich bourgeois. Next word is boulevard. This is also French word, a broad street with row of trees. सायादार सड़क, गली या गुजरगाह. We strolled along the boulevard. Next word is cul-de-sac. This is a French word, a street or passage closed at one end, a blind alley, band gali. We live in a quiet cul-de-sac. Next word is de facto. De facto. This is a French word, in fact, whether by right or not. Other meaning, a person who lives with somebody as their husband or wife, although they are not officially married. According to first meaning, the general took de facto control of the country. According to second meaning, we have invited James and his de facto to our wedding. Meanings in English, dar haqiqat, istihqaq se ya istihqaq ke baghair. Next word is de jure. De jure. This is a French word, according to rightful entitlement or claim by right, بطور استحقاق. He is the de jure owner of the property. Next word is casus belli or casus belli. Both are correct. Casus belli or casus belli. This is a Latin word. An act or situation that provokes or justifies a war. Jang ka mamla. Intriguing casus belli system where wars have specific goals from start to finish. Next word is perfecto. Latin word, means by that very fact or act. बिल्कुल हकीकत से. The enemy of one's enemy may be is perfecto a friend. Next word is détente. French word, the easing of hostility or strained relation, especially between countries. Narmi. His policy of arms control and détente with the Soviet Union. Next word is rapprochement. This is also French word, especially in international affairs, an establishment or resumption of harmonious relations. Mafahmat. There are signs of a growing rapprochement between Pakistan and India. Next word is entente. French word, meanings in English a friendly understanding or informal alliance between states or factions. Muahida. The French entente with Great Britain had already been significantly extended. Next word is rendezvous. This is a French word, an arrangement to meet somebody at particular time and place. Mulaqat ya mulaqat ka maqam. He had a secret rendezvous with Sarah that evening. Next word is Bildungsroman. This is German word, novel of education or novel of formation. German literary genre. Talim ka novel. It is obvious that the novel is in many ways conventional in the literal sense of the traditional Bildungsroman. Next word is Weltanschauung. Weltanschauung. This is also a German word, a particular philosophy or view of life, the world view of an individual or group. एक मुनज़्ज़म और बाअसूल तसव्वुर इंसान और कायनात. That Weltanschauung was humanist and individualist. It was anti-relativist and anti-utopian. Next word is Zeitgeist. This is a German word, the spirit of the time, the spirit characteristic of an age or generation. किसी खास दौर का जज्बा. The zeitgeist of these centuries operated against the development of a pure science. Next word is sotto voce. This is a German word in a quiet voice, as if not to be overheard. Sargoshi mein. You will be sorry, he muttered sotto voce. Next word is modus operandi. This is a Latin word, meanings in English a particular way or method of doing something. Tarika kar ya tarz amal. Every killer has his own special modus operandi. Next word is modus vivendi. A way of living, an arrangement or agreement allowing conflicting parties to coexist peacefully, either indefinitely or until a fine settlement is reached. Tarz zindagi. The two states reached a kind of modus vivendi. Next word is lapsus linguae. This is a Latin word, means a slip of tongue, zuban ki lagzish. As Sigmund Freud reminds us, the lapsus linguae is like the dream, a royal road to the unconscious. Next word is tabula rasa. This is a Latin word, a blank sheet, a clean slate, the human mind as it is at birth, with no ideas or thoughts in it. Kora zehen. The team did not have complete freedom and a tabula rasa from which to work. Next word is boudoir. This is a French word, a woman's small private room or bedroom. Khatun ki khalwatgah. She sat in the kitchen or in her boudoir. Next word is coiffure. This is a French word. Hairstyle, the way in which a person's hair is arranged. बाल संवारना औरतों वगैरह के. Her coiffure and clothes were masterpieces of subtle fashion. Next word is laissez-faire. French word, allow to do. Policy of minimum governmental interference in the economic affairs of individuals and society. Adam mudakhalat. Laissez-faire, easy come, easy go. Next word is déjà vu. This is a French word. A feeling of having already experienced the present situation. एक ख्याल के मौजूदा सूरत हाल पहले भी वाक़या हो चुकी है. I had a strong sense of déjà vu as I entered the room. Next word is vis-a-vis. This is the French word. A person or thing having the same function or characteristics as another. हम मर्तबा, हम मनसब. Women's salaries are low vis-a-vis what men earn for the same work. Next word is coup de foudre. French word, love at first sight. पहली नज़र में प्यार. I got a glimpse of my colleague and it was coup de foudre. Dear viewers, ये थे foreign words or phrases, almost 75. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.